Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite for Dummies. You begin each match by deploying from a floating battle bus, aiming for a landing spot that offers good loot but isn't too crowded. Once your feet hit the ground, quickly learn to move around. You can run, jump, and crouch, which are your fundamental actions. Mastering these basic movements is crucial for staying safe in the opening moments of every game. Always be aware of your surroundings as you land. As you explore the island, gathering loot is your top priority. Open chests, often found in attics or basements, to uncover powerful weapons and valuable supplies. Pay close attention to weapon colors. Gray is common, while legendary gold weapons offer significant advantages. Always ensure you have a balanced loadout, including something for close quarters and a weapon for longer distances. Don't forget to pick up shield potions and bandages. They are vital for staying in the fight. Building is what truly sets Fortnite apart from other games. You can quickly construct structures like walls, ramps, and floors to gain an advantage or protect yourself. Gather materials by hitting trees, rocks, and cars with your pickaxe. You'll collect wood, stone, and metal. Each material offers different strength and build times. Start by practicing simple builds, such as a quick wall for cover or a ramp to reach higher ground. These skills become essential for surviving encounters. To secure a victory royale, always monitor the storm circle. It shrinks throughout the match, forcing players closer together, and you take damage if caught outside. Maintaining high ground is almost always beneficial in combat, offering a clear view and better angles against opponents. Pay attention to sound cues like footsteps or distant gunfire. These provide critical information about nearby enemies. Combining smart movement, effective looting, building, and tactical awareness will lead you to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.